Fauvism is an art movement that began in France in 1905. This movement was an offshoot of the Impressionist and Neo-Impressionist art movements that came before it. In contrast to these earlier art movements, Fauvist paintings used bolder, brighter, more unnatural and intense colors, and more boldly defined shapes. This movement got its name from art critics who called these artists les fauves, which in French means wild beasts. Some notable Fauvist painters are Henri Matisse, André Derain, Maurice de Vlaminck, and Georges Braques. This movement only lasted for a few years, but it was important because of its uniqueness and because it paved the way for some more abstract art movements that followed. Please support me by checking out the other amazing art lessons on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art, and please subscribe.